Uh, Question number 14. The sum of all the prime factor of a number is 10. Again, the number is probably what? Okay, so if I have 15, so I find the prime factor 3 divided by 3, then 5 divided by 5, 1. So the prime factor is 3 and 5. So the sum of prime factor will become 3 plus 5, then 8. So this is not the answer. 24 divided by 2, then I have 12 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3, 1. So the prime factor is 2 and 3. And the sum of prime factor will become 2 plus 3, then 5. Okay, 30. So 30 I divide by 2, 15, divide by 3, 5, divide by 5, 1. So the prime factor is 2, 3, and 5. So the sum of prime factor will become 2 plus 3 plus 5, then equal to 10. So the answer is C. So I continue with 42. I divide by 2, then 21 divided by 3, and then I have 7 divided by 7, I have 1. So the prime factor is 2, 3, and 7, and the sum of prime factor is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 12. So this is not the answer. The answer is C. And then the number 15, uh, 2 and 3 are prime factor of 132. Another prime factor of 132 is what? So what I can do is I just do the repeated division. I divide by 2, 66, and then divide by 2, then 33. I divide by 3, 11. So divide by 11, then 1. So the prime factor for this 132 is 2, 3, and 11. So C. The answer is C. And 126, 126, I want to find the prime factor 63, and then divide by 3, 21, divide by 3, 7, divide by 7, 1. So the prime factor for this is number is 2, 3, and 7. 2, 3, and 7. Okay, so number 17. Which of the following are the prime factor of 110? So I divide by 2, 55. I divide by 5, 11. Divide by 11, then I get 1. So the prime factor for this number is 2, 5, and 11. So 2 and 11. Okay, so these four questions is all asking about the same thing, that is the prime factor. So the way for us to find prime factor is we using the repeated division, uh, and actually we have another method to find the prime factor as well, like 110. I can do something like this: 11 times 10, then will become 110. 11 is already prime number, and 10 is 2 times 5. So 110 will become 2 times 5 times 11. So it's same. Okay. So this is another way to find the prime factor. So the prime factor is 2, 5, and 11.